Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for water sign Scorpio, your person current feelings and their actions. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is from June 11th to June 20th. So let's see your person current feelings Scorpio. So let's see. 9 of Cups, 3 of Cups, Judgment. Wow. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, or you both could be, because water energy is here. More water energy. You are their wish fulfillment. They want celebration with you. They want to party with you. They want to come to meet you. And Judgment. Those who are in separation, they want reconciliation with you, because the Judgment with 3 of Cups is reconciliation. So you are their wish fulfillment. They want to come towards you for reconciliation. They are thinking about reconciliation, or for some they are thinking about parting. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Scorpio, 8 of Swords, 7 of Wands, fire energy, the Wall. Your person may be stuck sometimes, but they don't want to give up on this connection at any cost, because 7 of Wands is, they know there are obstacles in this connection, but they want to overcome. And the Wall, I think there are some cycles are going to be end in this connection, and there is a chance for reconciliation also. So you person don't want to give up on this connection. Let's pull some cards from universe. Okay, 4 of Pentacles, Lord of Reading, Gods, 4 of Pentacles. I think you could be not express, or your person could be, there is love but not expressing, not opening up. Chariot, yes, things are moving to forward. Knight of Swords. Wow, 10 of Cups. Yeah, your person is coming towards you. Chariot, they want to take things to next level. The Chariot movement is there. 10 of Cups, and they want to offer this 10 of Cups to you, but it will take time, because they are not expressive, and they are also stuck, and they don't want to give up. So they want this connection, they want reconciliation with you, and they want celebration with you. They want to take things next level, but there will some obstacles also, their family obstacles, whatever maybe. It will take time, because the Chariot is also moving, but it is slow, and communication is also coming in your way, because Knight of Swords, he want to come towards you very fastly, but situations are not like that. Situations are not help them, so that's why it is going to be late, but it is coming, because they want family with you. So this is the reading for you Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.